In this video, I'll guide you through how to underline text in Webflow. If you're looking to enhance your web design skills by adding a simple text underline, you're in the right place. Webflow is a powerful tool for designing websites without having to code. And today we're focusing on a straightforward but effective text styling feature, underlining. To get started first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to webflow.com. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so using your account credentials. Once you're on the Webflow dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Select the site where you want to make your text changes. After selecting your site, it's time to dive into the editing mode. Click on the project to open it. You'll be taken to the Webflow Designer, where you can make all your customizations. If you're new to Webflow, the designer might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Now, locate the text element you wish to underline. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or any other text element within your design. Once you've found it, double-click on the text. This action will allow you to edit the text directly, similar to how you might edit text in a word processor. With the text now editable, use your mouse to highlight the specific words or phrases you want to underline. Simply click and drag over the text to select it. Highlighting text is crucial because it tells Webflow exactly which part of the text you want to apply the underline style to. Next, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll find the typography panel. This is where all your text styling options are located. Scroll through the panel until you find the option labeled typography. This section contains various text properties such as font size, line height, and text decoration. Within the typography options, look for the underline icon. It's usually represented by a capital U with a line underneath it. Clicking this icon will immediately apply an underline to the text you've highlighted. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure to expand any collapsed sections within the typography panel. And there you have it. You've successfully underlined text in Webflow. This simple styling technique can be used to emphasize important information or to enhance the readability of your content. Remember, while underlining can be a great tool, it's best used sparingly to avoid cluttering your design. If you want to remove the underline later, simply repeat the steps and click the underline icon again to toggle it off. Webflow's intuitive interface makes it easy to make changes and see them reflected in real time. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to underline text in Webflow. With these steps, you'll be able to add a professional touch to your website design with ease. Thanks for watching and happy designing.